So we don't have a stove, but I'm gonna make a quick taco pasta in the crock pot. So stick with me. So we're gonna need a can of diced tomatoes, and we're gonna need some pinto beans to start, a can of corn, and some cavatappi noodles. And sorry, the lighting sucks, but we're running off a generator, so this is a flashlight in the closet because we're still on post-hurricane no power, day 2. Because of the generator, we still have some ground beef, so we're gonna get this thawed out and then we're gonna put it in the crock pot. All right, so we had placed our meat in here with 2 cups of water. We have it cooked about halfway, which is all it needs to be cooked because it'll cook more once the beans and everything are in. We're gonna add a can of corn, juice and all. And we're also gonna add a can of the pinto beans with the juice as well. In the middle of cooking on the floor post Hurricane Milton, I popped the top of tomatoes and Zeus feels like he needs to eat. So we're gonna add a can of diced tomatoes on top of this. I'm gonna put the lid back on and let it cook.
What's his treats? He's eating out of right hand.
So yeah, cat tree on the floor, whiskers and whisks. There we go. Hurricane Milton post. And we are making taco pasta in a crock pot with a generator on the floor. We're gonna add some Worcestershire and we're gonna add some jalapeno. Hurricane Milton brain. If you're making taco pasta, don't forget to add the taco seasoning. Add in 1 box of cavatappi noodles. Stir and let sit on the crock pot for a half an hour. And there you have it, a half an hour later. Taco pasta, ready to eat, post-hurricane, crock pot generator cooked. I'm telling you, I can do it all. Just sprinkle some cheese right on top. And you got yourself a crock pot meal that was quick and easy. Even in a hurricane with no power.